Hi everybody and welcome to your new unit. This unit is all about the Earth's surface. So for your first lesson today, we're going to talk about mapping the Earth's physical features. And while we go through this lesson, you're going to see a big word that you might not have seen before. This word is topographic or topography. Now, this word has a certain meaning, and we can determine that meaning by breaking this word apart into its prefix and its suffix. So first we'll talk about the prefix, which is topo. Topo essentially means place, and then graphic, the word's suffix, means to study, and it also means to put into a specific writing, okay? So we're going to study and then write about the certain place, okay? So as we go through the unit and as we go through the lesson, you'll get to see how we write the Earth's surface, topographic maps, places on Earth and how we write them, okay? So the essential question for today is, what is a topographic map? Hopefully you should be able to kind of already begin to explain this just by knowing the suffix and the prefix of this word. Then we're going to talk about how we can use topographic maps to determine the Earth's physical features. So today you will be defining and labeling the parts of a topographic map so that you can describe an area's formations based on how you read a topographic map. And then you'll know that you got it if you can interpret and explain a topographic map. Okay, so let's go through our lesson today. You're here in the Learn section and you're watching this video here, Lesson Introduction, Mapping Earth's Physical Features. Make sure that you check out this instructional video, and that will really help you determine more about the topographic maps as well. There's also going to be a really cool explanation on how to use topographic maps with Play-Doh, which is kind of a fun hands-on activity if you're interested in that, okay? Then make sure, as always, you do your ClassKick notebook, okay? So I'm going to show you what that looks like now. When you go over to ClassKick, we're going to go to the student preview here. So this is what you'll see when you log in. Remember, this is a new unit, right? So you've got a new ClassKick notebook for every unit. So make sure that you're accessing the one that says Unit 3 Earth Surface. And then you're going to navigate over to the third page where you see 3.01 Mapping the Earth. Part 1. Okay, that's because there's 2 pages here in this ClassKick notebook. The first one, you're just reviewing the vocabulary, and you're going to learn these vocabulary terms throughout the lesson and in those videos, so make sure that you check them out. You're going to see contour interval, you're going to see relief, you're going to see elevation, you're going to see contour lines. So here, you're just reviewing the terms that you've learned, okay? When you navigate over to page 2, now you're going to put these terms into practice. You're going to look at one topographic map, and you're going to answer these 6 questions here that you have in these blocks, okay? And then you can just record your answer below each block. Then you've got map 2. And then again, it's going to ask you 4 questions, and you can record your answers either below the question or in this blue bar here. Likewise for map 3, where you've got 3 additional questions, okay? If you have any questions for me as you're working through this lesson, be sure to reach out. I'm always happy to help, and make sure that you use all of those resources in the OMS that are there for you, okay? If they're in there, it's because they're valuable, so make sure that you check those out. Thanks, guys.